Ever wonder how other countries keep their homes fresh, clean, and efficient, without all the gadgets and expensive tools? Let's take a quick trip around the world and uncover 3 global secrets to a cleaner, smarter home. First stop, Germany. Germans swear by a habit called Stoßlüften, which literally means shock airing. Instead of keeping windows cracked all day, they open everything wide for 5 to 10 minutes. It floods the home with fresh air, pushes out moisture and odors, and prevents mold, without losing stored heat from the walls and furniture. It's a ritual, morning and evening, quick, free, and energy efficient. Next stop, India. Here, smell isn't just about comfort, it's about cleansing. Every week, families burn a small bowl of cloves and camphor pellets in a safe dish. The smoke drifts through the home, naturally purifying the air, keeping insects away, and setting a peaceful vibe. In the kitchen, many simmer spices like cloves and cinnamon in water. It refreshes the whole space. And yes, you can drink the leftovers as tea. Last stop, the Netherlands. Dutch homes are designed to keep dirt out before it ever becomes a problem. Many entryways have 2 doors, a small vestibule that traps cold air and mess from outside. No extra space? They go with a layered mat system. One tough mat outside to scrape shoes, a softer mat inside to absorb moisture, and a bench with hidden shoe storage to encourage shoes off, house clean. Simple? Yes. But together, these little details make a huge difference in how homes feel, function, and flow. So the next time your house feels chaotic, stale, or messy, maybe don't buy another gadget. Try learning from places that have been mastering this for generations.